Question number 17. Let's comprehend. What is given? For a polynomial gx with real coefficients, let mg denote the number of distinct real root of gx. Mg denote the number of distinct real root of gx, and gx is a polynomial with real coefficient. Suppose S is the set of polynomials with real coefficient defined by S is equal to this. Now what is this? All possible polynomial with real coefficient, and it is x square minus 1 whole square multiplied by a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube. a0, a1, a2, a3 belongs to set of real numbers. So this is given, all polynomials like that. Now what is given for a polynomial f, let f dash and f double dash denotes its first and second order derivative respectively. So this all is given. Now what is asked? The minimum possible value of m f dash plus m f double dash means the minimum possible value of sum of number of roots of f dash x equal to 0 and f double dash x equal to 0, because mg denotes the number of distinct real root of polynomial gx. So m f dash number of roots of f dash x equal to 0, m f double dash number of roots of f double dash x equal to 0. Let's analyze. So I recall Rolle's theorem. Why do I recall Rolle's theorem? So function is given there, in there a0, a1, a2, a3, 4 unknowns are there, and a set of polynomial, and it is multiplied by x square minus 1 whole square. X square minus 1 means x minus 1 into x plus 1. And they're talking about the number of roots. And that expression is 0 for x equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 1, whatever the value of a0, a1, a2, a3 are there. So what does this theorem states? A function f(x) is continuous in the closed interval, polynomials are continuous. A function f(x) is differentiable in the open interval a to b, polynomials are differentiable. And f of a is equal to f of b, f of minus 1 and f of 1, 0. Then there is at least one value of c, number of roots, minimum values की बात कर रहे हैं. So it's like hint there. So this theorem states if f of a and f of b are equal, then there is at least one value of c for x in open interval a to b such that f dash c is equal to 0. So I recognize fx is this. If I take hx is equal to this, fx is equal to, just for the simplification, x square minus 1 whole square hx. Fx is continuous and differentiable in its domain. F of 1 is equal to 0. F of minus 1 is equal to 0. F dash x is this, which is x square minus 1 is a factor there, multiplied by this expression. F dash minus 1 is also equal to 0, and f dash 1 equal to 0. X square minus 1 is a factor. So let's execute. So I calculate. I have these results, yeah. So fx satisfies the condition of Rolle's theorem in closed interval minus 1 to 1. So f dash x equal to 0 for at least one x equal to alpha belonging to minus 1 to 1 open interval. It means f dash x equal to 0 has at least 3 roots. Why 3 roots? One is alpha, f dash minus 1 is also 0, f dash 1 is also 0. And the 3 roots are such that minus 1 से बड़ा है alpha और 1 से छोटा, in between minus 1 and 1. So m f dash is equal to 3. Now as f dash x satisfies the condition of Rolle's theorem from minus 1 to alpha, f of minus 1, f dash minus 1 is 0, f dash alpha is also equal to 0. So f double dash x equal to 0 for is also 0 for at least one x equal to beta belonging to -1 to alpha. And also f double dash x equal to 0 for at least one beta from -1 to, so this is the result we got, -1 to alpha. Now again, alpha to 1, f dash 1 is 0, f dash alpha is 0. So f double dash x equal to 0 is 0 for at least one x equal to gamma belonging to alpha to 1. So f double dash x from the Rolle's theorem has at least one root gamma between alpha and 1. So f double dash x equal to 0 has at least two root gamma with -1 to 1 बीटा, -1 से बड़ा है बीटा, बीटा से बड़ा है अल्फा और उससे बड़ा है गामा एंड उससे बड़ा है 1. So f double dash x has two roots, beta and gamma, satisfying this condition, minimum roots, at least number of roots. Therefore, f double dash is equal to 2. I got the minimum possible value of m of f dash plus m of f double dash equal to 5. I got the answer. It is 5. Everything from NCERT. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.